Good morning, everyone. Today, in chapter number 12, we will start chapter number 12. The name of the chapter is Light, Shadows, and Reflection. In this chapter, we will study about the light. What do you mean by light? And then we will study what is light, how fast does light travel, and then we will talk about what are sources of light like luminous object, non-luminous object, human made sources of light, and natural sources of light. After that, we will discuss about the main property of light, that light travels in straight line, and we will discuss about this activity also. And then we will talk about what do you mean by rays and beams with the help of diagrams. And after that, we will talk about what do you mean by transparent, opaque, and translucent object with the help of examples. And the last thing which we will talk about here about the shadows also. This is the second word of the name of the chapter, that what are shadows, how shadows are formed. And the lastly most important thing, we will talk about eclipse, solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse. This we will talk about with the help of diagram. So this is the lunar eclipse. See here, this one will be your lunar eclipse. And the last topic is shadows and images. What do you mean by shadows and images? And then we will talk about the reflection. This is the reflection of light by the plane mirror. So these are the main topics that we will going to cover in this chapter. So today we will just talk about the some basic things about this chapter 12, and you can read this on page number 138 and 139. So I will teach you these definitions and the most important things with the help of video in this form. So what do you mean by light? So what is in light? Light is a form of energy, and light help us to see things, and it is very essential for life on earth. So simply you can write that light is a form of energy, it is essential for life on earth. And you can also write that light help us to see things, and we will now discuss some other uses of light also. So all the three things which I am going to discuss now, that you already know also. So first is green plants prepare food for entire living world during photosynthesis using energy of sunlight. So the green plants, they prepare food by process of photosynthesis by utilizing the light from sun. So that is also a use of light. Second is that we also use wood for cooking or for warming process. So we are utilizing the energy of sunlight that is locked up in plant. So the energy which is locked up in the wood, that we are using for cooking and for warming purpose. So this is also the use of light. Third is that we are also using the energy from fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are the, you can say, the things which are under our earth's surface and which are formed from dead and decaying matter, dead plants and animals which are buried under the surface of earth from millions years ago. So due to the pressure and temperature, that the fossil fuels are formed from dead plants and animals. So fossil fuels like petroleum, coal and natural gas, they are derived from light energy of the sun. So that is also the use of energy. Means in short, we can say that we depend on light energy for food, for oxygen and fuel. Coming to next topic, that what are the sources of light? Now sources of light means that from where we are getting the light. So some objects like sun, stars, lighted candle, electric bulb, shiny fireflies which we call jugnu in Hindi also, these are the some of the sources of light. Now these sources of light basically are classified into two types, that is natural sources of light and human made sources of light. What are natural sources of light? Natural sources of light are those which produce their own light. So the sources of light which can produce their own light, that sources are known as natural sources of light. And sources which do not produce their own light, that sources are known as human made sources of light. Example of natural sources are sun and shiny fireflies. An example of human made sources are candle and electric bulb. So the sources of light are classified into two parts, natural sources and human made sources. Now next is about the object, like luminous and non-luminous object. So what are luminous and non-luminous object? Luminous object are those which are having their light, which can emit light. Either they are having their own light, or either they are human made, or either they are natural. So which can emit their own light, they are known as luminous, and which cannot emit their own light, they are known as non-luminous. So see the definition of luminous object. The object that produce their own light, they are called luminous object, like sun, lamp, tube light. And the object that do not produce their own light, they are called non-luminous object, like earth, moon and piece of cloth. Now we will talk about that why moon is a non-luminous object. See here that why moon is a non-luminous object. It shine because it reflect the light of the sun to us. Why the moon appear to be shining during night? Because it reflect the light of the sun to us, that is why it appear to be shining. In the same way, from moon, astronauts see earth as big ball which is shining because of sunlight it reflect. And if the astronauts, they are standing on the moon surface, what they will see, that earth is also shining. And why earth is shining? The same concept, because earth also reflect the light of the sun. Now the both moon and the earth shine in borrowed light from the sun. So they borrow light from the sun, that is why they appear to be shining, both the moon and the earth. So on the basis of today's topic, you will complete this assignment. This is your assignment. This you have to do in your rough notebook, and you can see today's video in the video tab also. So please complete this in your rough notebook, and if there is any doubt, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. So check this assignment in the assignment tab of your SMDP app. Thank you and have a nice day.